Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. Hopefully you will like the video to where you would want to subscribe. So let's get started. For the second paycheck for the month of July, with the $33 from the previous check, we have a paycheck amount of $1,930.05. And since we are attempting to do the 80-20 budget rule, let's see what everything looks like. So here's the 80-20 budget rule. The 80 would be $1,545. The 20% would be $385. But since I have more expenses than I need, especially with this amount, I need more cash. So I decided to go this route. 85-15. 85% is $1,642.05. 15% is $288, which does equal up to $1,930.05. When it comes to the bills, my bills are $1,278.05, which is right here. So here's what I came up with, and this is how everything looks on paper. Offering $268.05. That's what I sent my sister. Term life insurance $59, State Farm $206, car $234, rent $440. Even though my rent haven't went up yet, but it's going to. AT&T $60, Netflix $11, totaled up to $1,278.05 with $364 left. I also get to save $288. So this is where the $364 went. Spending $200, gas $130, extra, which is miscellaneous $20, and I'm giving myself $14 for a total of $364 with zero left over for the 80% and the 85%, and $288 is just going to be kept until the end of the month for 15%. So this is the budget for the second paycheck for July. Chris, this was in fact fun to do, but I think who said that if your income is steady or possibly always the same, then the 80-20 rule would work. But since my income is always changing, I had to change this up and make something else work for me. So this is it. This is everything. I'll let you guys know how it went. Of course, I'll be doing my check-in. And this is how everything looks on paper. Now I need to go to the ATM and get some cash. That way we can do a cash stuffing. So I'll be right back. So I just wanted to show you all this happy mail. So this came from Here to Their Journey. Rebecca, thank you so much for sending this. I was watching Rebecca live, and her and one of her friends was going through doing giveaways for some of the things she have in her shop. And I did win one of the prizes. So this is what the thank you sticker looks like. Love the butterfly. And she did send a card. So it just says, Desiree, thank you so much for your generosity, giving your time, and supporting my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy the savings challenge. Rebecca, Here to Their Journey. Wow. I just realized that I read this card without stumbling over any words. So she printed out her snowball challenge, and this is what the envelope looks like. So what I would do is, let's see if it'll focus. Let me see. So right here where the little bricks are, if I have $5 to throw at it, I'll just write what I have. So like $5, 15, 20, $3, $4, and what have you. And then once the wall is finished, I'll just pay that money towards whatever debt I may have. Of course, you all know I'm working on the card deck with some money. So let's go ahead and count it. $100, $200, $300, 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 5, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got $364 to cash stuff in this video. So I'm just getting everything separated, and I'll just put these two right here since I already know what's what and what goes where. So we have, whoops. So we have my homemade cash dividers, and we'll go ahead and start with spending. Spending is getting 100, 200, which I probably should have gave it some 20s, but we'll see. If I need to get some change, I will make change. So we have 200 here for spending. And then when it comes to gas, so we don't have anything for fun. Gas is getting, oh shoot, gas should have been online, but that's okay. 100, 20, $30. It's okay. I can take this to the bank if needed, but I'm probably not going to do that. Next we have extra, which extra is getting 20 bucks. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And I'll go ahead and turn back to bank over. And extra. And the money for myself, which is $14. So 5, 6. Well, let's just do this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 will go in the back to bank. Or I may make another one of these for myself. So let's see. Gas fund. Back to bank. So I'll put the money for self into back to bank for the moment. And then again, I can just make myself one of these. So that's it for this cash stuffing. And where is my wallet? So I already have all of my cards and things flipped over. So that's it for this video. I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to drink your water and eat your fruit. Bye.